Today, we're going to be reviewing how to record a shared greeting or a shared recording within your Wildix Unified Communications phone system. This is an important feature to use for holiday greetings, if you have like a main greeting on your main telephone number as people dial in, or whether you have a closed greeting or something like that that plays after hours. So this is a good way to configure this so that you can change this greeting whenever you need to. And again, like date specific things and that sort of feature set. So in order to change it, it can vary a little bit by PBX. So for this PBX that I'm working in now, it's going to be a *74 feature code that you need to dial. And as you dial it and go *74 and hit enter.
Please enter the message ID.
So as you hear the prompt, you need to enter a message ID. So for this case, I'm just going to go 1. You can do any number of digits, 4 or more.
Record your message after the tone.
So this is a recording, a test recording for the Wildix PBX for shared recordings.
Thank you.
So press pound when you finish recording and it's going to hang up. So this would be what it would be like when the first time you ever do a shared recording. Yeah, it's just going to, once you finish recording and you hit pound, it hangs up. If you want to go back and listen to that and change it or modify it down the line, you're just going to call back on the *74.
Please enter the message ID.
So it will ask you for the message ID and then press 1 again because that's the one I just recorded. I'll wait for it. So this is a recording, a test recording for the Wildix PBX for shared recordings.
Press 0 to delete the message, 1 to record the message. Stop the recording with the pound, or press 2
delete.
to play back.
So I can press 1 and I can
Record your
re-record it again.
message after the tone.
This is a second version of my recording for the shared greeting.
Thank you.
And then it hangs up again. So as you can see, you can kind of do multiple iterations. It gives you a pretty good idea of how that works. So you can record a number of these. The key important thing to know is that you can, anyone who's got the permission to can override another message. So the best kind of practice would be to have an internal sort of list as to what you've used your IDs for in terms of messages. So maybe you have a 4-digit one for holiday greetings and perhaps you have another one for just a general shared recording for the closed hours or something like that. It's just important to know which number or ID you've used for each recording. Once you've got that finished, the administrator can see that recording that's been done in the backend PBX and assign it to the right location. Then that way, when you record a new version, or if you change it down the line, it's going to automatically be applied to the call flow that your administrator designed for you. Okay, so that should be everything there then for shared greetings and shared recordings in Wildix collaboration.